Associate Professor of DM University, Dr. Sarath Chandra Longzomba, has called for the need to construct a statue of freedom fighter like 𝐅𝐸 which will be an asset of Manipur. He proposed the 𝐁𝐸 Research Committee to take the lead in doing so. Dr. Sarath Chandra opined that the state will help today's and tomorrow's generation in learning about the freedom fighter. Speaking at the 139th birth anniversary observance of the freedom fighter organized by 𝐁𝐸 Research Committee at their complex at Wangkhai Kaitel Asangbi, Dr. Sarath Chandra further termed it unfortunate that the government has not recognized 𝐁𝐸, who was responsible for setting up school to learn Meitei Mayek, who waging war against Manipur's king to stop collecting water tax from people, and who played a vital role in development of sports and culture. Attendees at the observance paid floral tributes to other 8 freedom fighters who worked alongside 𝐁𝐸 on the occasion. Among others, President of 𝐁𝐸 Research Committee, Dr. Mayeng Bam Kunjabihari, and columnist Mongzam Ramananda were also present at the observance. Dr. Sarath Chandra further said, one should not forget that in 1932, after waging a war against the then king Maharaj Churchan to stop collecting water tax, 𝐁𝐸 was sent to jail in October of 1935. He set up a Meitei Mayek High School in 1945. He also waged many wars alongside Lamyanba Hizam Irabot against atrocities carried out by king and the British. It is very unfortunate that the government fails to recognize the huge contributions of 𝐁𝐸 in rebuilding Manipur by forming a political party called Nikhil Manipur Praja, added Dr. Sarath Chandra. It is time to let the people know who 𝐁𝐸 was, who has been ignored by the government, he said.